Welcome to Chintu's Why Science.
Which is the largest animal?
Kids, can you guess? Which is the biggest animal? Elephant? Dinosaur? Let's find out.
Elephant is very big. Giraffe is very tall. Rhino is super strong. The largest animal lives in the ocean. It is the blue whale. A blue whale is longer than 2 big school buses. And it weighs as much as 30 elephants. Imagine 30 elephants balancing on one side.
But what does it eat? Giant fish?
No, it eats tiny creatures called krill, like small shrimps. Blue whales don't have teeth. They use balun plates like a big comb to filter food from water. Fun fact, the whale's heart is the size of a small car. Duck, duck. Another wow fact, its tongue is heavier than an elephant. Blue whales are mammals. They give birth to babies and feed milk, just like cows or humans. They sing songs underwater. And you know what? Their voices can travel hundreds of kilometers. Quiz time! Which is the largest animal in the world? Hint, it lives in the ocean, sings. Keep wondering, keep exploring, and see you in the next adventure. Read your answers in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun stories with Chintu.